Korean barbecue on a chicken wing? Oh, hell yeah! Stick around to see how I made this delicious, amazing smoky chicken wing. Alright, for today's chicken wings, I know, more chicken wings here. Real simple. We have what? Liquid gold. My wife likes to throw this crap away. Do not throw this away. This is worth holding on to. We're just going to do some red pepper flakes, some garlic powder, and some Franks because that shit goes on everything. So real quick, put a glove on. Pop open these wings. This is, in case you're curious, 4.5 pounds of chicken wings. And today we are not trimming these at all. They are just going in their standard form straight into my marinade bag. Unless they have this crap on. If they have this, we will take this glove off. We're done with the chicken. Take whatever we have left over from a jar of pickle juice. About a tablespoon of some red pepper flakes. About a tablespoon of some garlic powder. And about a tablespoon of some Franks or whatever hot sauce you have laying around. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this, I'm going to seal it up, put it in the fridge for about 24 hours, put it in the fridge overnight, and I'll bring it back tomorrow morning to get these guys cooking. Alright, next morning we're going to go ahead and get our chicken wings here taken out of the package and get some seasoning on them, but first we need to build our seasoning. The main star of our seasoning is going to be this gochugaru. If you can't find it, you can substitute that with a little bit of chili powder and some smoked paprika. Got this on Amazon. I think it was about $7 for a lot of this. It's really good on a lot of different meats. Yeah, really good. Gotta start with some salt here, not a whole lot. Some black pepper, about equal parts. This is ground coriander, just dried and ground up cilantro. That's maybe a teaspoon. We're going to dump in our gochugaru. Give that a quick stir. Break up any clumps. Right, now that we have our seasoning made, we need to drain off the liquid. Get rid of that. Now we'll get these set down. I'm going to do presentation side down to start with. Alright, now that these are all out of the liquid and on the drying rack, just going to take some of our seasoning and sprinkle. Okay, now go ahead and get these flipped over. Okay, and now we'll dust this side. Okay, now that that is all done, go get the pellet grill started. I have some hickory pellets in it today, so after it's all warmed up, I'll bring it out. I'm gonna get it set to about 250, 225, wherever wants to hang out, and we'll get these guys on the smoker. Alright, so the only thing I made a change here real fast is I just changed it to the smoke setting instead of the 225 setting. Just let these go for about an hour and a half under some smoke only. Let's go ahead and get our wings on. Just got them on this tray here to make getting off and on easier. After about an hour and a half, we'll come back out, turn the temp up, and take a look at these. All right, now it's time to go ahead and make our sauce. We're out there, got our chicken smoking. I'm gonna base it off of this Korean barbecue gochujang pork marinade. Just had this in the fridge. If I didn't have this in the fridge, I would just use gochujang. Just gonna put, you know, looks about right. Next, gonna do a couple shots of some soy sauce. Here I have some fish sauce. And just to loosen it up a little bit more, some light olive oil. And now some brown sugar. And then just to make it have a completely different flavor, you all know I love W sauce. Give this a quick stir. And give that a quick taste. Got a little spice to it and delicious flavors. I'll bring it back when it's time to check on the chicken wings. Alright, we're sitting about 150 on the thermometer here. Just want to make sure we're not too low on the chicken itself. I think I have to go a little bit warmer. So I was playing around with the P setting again, so I'm just going to change that back up to a 4. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll come back out, make sure we're in a safe temp here shortly. All right, I did turn it up to 200 and got 200 on the thermometer here. Check the internal one of these. 120s. We're about 30 minutes away from eating, so I'm going to turn this up to 250. Let these go a little bit longer. And then after they reach about 160 inside, what I'm going to do is I'll put the sauce on that we made. Let that tack up for a little bit longer in here, and then we'll give this a nice taste test. All right, we're just at 150 on the chicken inside. Go ahead and turn our grill up to 300 degrees just to get some extra crispiness on the chicken. Turn these over real fast. Missed one. God damn it. And here we have our sauce we made earlier. I did forget earlier to put the some rice vinegar and some sesame oil in, so I did add that to this. Get this liberally brushed on. And if you don't brush your wingtip here, you can use that as a handle and not have sauce all over your hands. So get this side nice and soft. Okay, just let that go for 15 to 20 minutes. Let that sauce tack up and we'll get this taste test. All right, been about 15 minutes. Beautiful chicken right there. It's gonna be hotter than hell, but give it a try anyway. So much juice. Oh my God. That is so delicious. Do the chicken thighs, chicken breasts, chicken legs, the whole damn chicken. Ah, hot. That was a mistake. Beautiful, wonderful flavors. All in all, the stuff I had laying around besides the one ingredient, the spice that I had to order off Amazon, and everything else was just getting ready to go in the trash anyway, so just used it up what I had. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Tell me down in the comments any other ideas on this chicken wings. Hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.